Okay, get this. Honor just dropped a foldable that's thinner than most normal phones, and its hinge is so strong, it literally held up 104 kilos and set a Guinness World Record. That's the Magic V5. But here's the question. Is this a breakthrough or just the craziest stunt in foldable history? Let's dive in.
What is it? Well, let's put the hype aside for a second, guys. Folded, the Magic V5 is only 8.8 millimeters thick. Open it up and you're looking at 4.1 millimeters across. That's thinner than a lot of regular slab phones. And at 217 grams, it's actually lighter than your iPhones. Inside, you get 7.95-inch OLED tablet-sized screen. Outside, 6.43-inch covered display that works like a normal phone. And both even support that stylus pen. And somehow, Honor fit it into a 5820 mAh silicone carbon battery. That's cutting-edge tech. Silicone holds more energy than graphite. I bet you didn't know that. So they get big battery life without making it bulky and ugly. Now, for durability, this phone didn't just survive a drop test in a laboratory. Honor hung weights directly from it, and it held 104 kilos, and Guinness certified it. And the price? Around £16.99 in the UK. That's still premium, but it undercuts the Samsung Fold 7 and Google Pixel Fold 2.
How does it work? Well, here's how they pulled off the thinness. It's all about the hinge and the dual screen stack. They shaved down every part of the frame until this thing basically feels like holding a normal phone. And some reviewers even said depending on the finish, the thickness can vary by a hair. But either way, it's crazy slim. And that silicone carbon battery is wild too. Honor says it's got about 15% silicone. Translation, you get a big battery that doesn't feel big. That means more energy and a lot less space. Now about that record, yes, the hinge held up 104 kilos. That's a lot. That's a real Guinness record. But does that mean it's indestructible in your jean pocket? Well, not really. It proves the hinge is strong under pressure. But for dust, grit, and drops, like any other phone, that's gonna be the real enemy, guys. And don't think it's just a thin toy. Under the hood, you got the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. Triple cameras, 120 Hz OLEDs hitting 5,000 nits, and IP58 water resistance, and Honor's promising 7 years of updates. This is a full flagship territory item, folks.
So what's Rudeboi's take? I think portability is the big win. For the first time, a foldable feels close to a normal phone when it's shut. The Guinness World Record is cool too. But what really matters is crease life, hinge grit resistance, and whether it still feels smooth after 2 years. That's the real test.
What's Bruce's take? Well, listen, I don't care if it could hold a barbell if it scratches from pocket lint. So when we get one, I'm putting it through a real torture test. Pocket sit test, a dust wipe, and a hinge squeak check. And then a battery showdown against Samsung's Fold 7. If it could survive all that and still feel like a slim slab in your jeans, that's a
What do you
win.
guys think? Is the world's thinnest foldable the future of phones? Or is it just bragging rights so they can make a ton of sales? I personally think it's a marketing technique. But who knows? We'll see. Let us know what you think in the comments. Smash that like button. If this gave you foldable envy, subscribe. Because our full stress test of the Magic V5 is coming. Or maybe it isn't.
It all depends if we get some money to do some more videos.
And trust me, you're going to want to see how this thing holds up to the real world. Because we're going to damage it with a massive sledgehammer.
That's right, and I'm going to sit on it because I'm really fat. So until next time, folks.